Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa healthy. First, always rinse your quinoa very well under cold running water for about 30 seconds. This removes saponins, which can make it taste bitter. Next, use a 2-to-1 ratio of liquid to quinoa. For example, for 1 cup of quinoa, use 2 cups of water or broth. Bring it to a boil, then simmer for 15 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Then fluff with a fork. To elevate the flavor and nutritional value, consider cooking your quinoa in a low-sodium vegetable or chicken broth. This simple swap adds a wonderful depth of taste without much effort. You can also toss in a bay leaf or a pinch of your favorite dried herbs, like oregano or thyme, while it simmers. After cooking, stir in about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil for a silky texture and healthy fats. These small steps make a big difference. Now, let's talk about making your quinoa a complete, satisfying meal. After it's cooked, fold in about a half cup of your favorite chopped vegetables, such as vibrant bell peppers, fresh spinach, or roasted zucchini. For a protein boost, add a 1/4 cup of lean options like grilled chicken, black beans, or chickpeas. Finally, incorporate a tablespoon of healthy fats, perhaps some diced avocado, a sprinkle of toasted nuts, or a few pumpkin seeds. This creates a balanced dish. Quinoa is incredibly versatile, offering many delicious ways to enjoy it. You can serve it warm as a wholesome side dish alongside grilled fish or roasted vegetables. For a lighter option, chill your cooked quinoa and use it as the base for a refreshing salad, adding fresh herbs, lemon juice, and a light vinaigrette. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spice blends, like curry powder or a Mediterranean mix, to keep your meals exciting and flavorful. Enjoy your healthy quinoa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.